How to fix Instagram loading slow problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram loading slow issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here that you'll need to take is head over to your app store and then search for Instagram. So search for Insta, and after you search for Insta, there check if there is an update available. If there is an update button instead of the open button, update your Instagram to the latest version. After you do that, you can head back and head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down and head over to General. On your General, scroll down, tap on VPN and device management. And after you tap on it, make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, that can result in slow loading of Instagram as well. After that, you can head back and scroll all the way up, and there you'll find iPhone storage. Tap on it and search for Instagram there. So let it load, and after you find Instagram, offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app. After that, you can reinstall it, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix slow Instagram loading speed in your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.